Well, we've moved on to combining corn. This is our John Deere combine S670. We got a 12-row, 20-inch corn head made by Drago, Series 2. There's no chopper on this compared to last year. We decided to go without a chopping head this year. And we're moving right at about 2.5, 3 mile an hour. This corn's yielding somewhere around the 220 to 230 area. So all this had was spring applied hog manure. And this is 111 or 112 day corn. Let's see, 112 day corn looks like. So windshield's a little dirty, but I'll give you a better view of the combine, I guess. So starting to bubble up pretty good. I guess I'll leave you with that. There goes the neighbor. Get another load to go to town. So, well, I'm gonna have to catch here in a little bit, so talk to you later.